Are you ready to draw a super cute pony with me? Now let's draw with me. Hi, my little artists. First, let's draw two big ovals for the eyes. Wow! Big eyes make our pony extra cute now. Inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. Great! Let's do the same for the other eye. Next, draw two small circles inside each eye to make them shiny. Awesome job! Don't rush. Take your time and draw slowly. Now draw a tiny curve and two small dots for the nose. Let's add some cute eyelashes to both eyes. Wow! Look at those eyes! Let's draw a half circle for the face. So easy, right? Now, time for the hair. We draw the hair one by one using small, broken curves. Let's draw the ears like this. And inside each ear, draw another small curve. Perfect! Follow my lines. And now we finish the body, arms, and legs. Follow my lines. Look at this shape. Did you draw it? Now let's draw the tail. The tail is just like the hair. Divide the hair and tail into parts like the picture. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Keep going. You are doing great. Now let's color. Color them red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Make the whole body pink. Wow, your pony looks fantastic. You did it! I'm so proud of you. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.